First open the machine cabinet door. Fill the water tank. Turn clockwise to start the machine. The screen displays the value and then press the spindle start key. Use this button to adjust the spindle speed. Tool changing operation. First loosen the screw. Then turn the wheel to lower the polishing knife. Put a small wrench on the bottom shaft. Rotate to this position. Place the large wrench on the upper screw position. Turn the screw counterclockwise. Remove the tool holder and replace the tool. Polishing angle adjustment. Loosen the 4 screws. Rotate the hand wheel to the required degree. Feeding device setting. The width of the feed port should be greater than the width of the material port. The recommended error is about 2 mm.